Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now people, first let me apologize because I've been absent for a while now. But people, we're here again with the year. And I don't want to get it twisted, you know. I'm not totally absent from the internet. But when you don't see me over YouTube, I'm over Instagram. You see me, so you can just follow my Instagram page at Chaddy TV. The page name or the at name is at I am DJ Chaddy. It's on the screen right now. Now people, the topic so we want to discuss today is the mix-up we're going between the hostage situation and the robbery. The police could define if it was an hostage situation or it was indeed a robbery. And we have to talk about that shooting incident that took place at UWI back gate. Left people in scatter and run up and down. So we're going to talk about that. People, today is election day. And just right before election day, L.A. Lewis had this message.
This is nothing personal against Holness. This is a thing named safeguard with life. Holness, go suck your mother. Batman. We don't like you. You can go and use your money, Batman, and go and believe that Bill Gates can give you money for come buy out the people. And not everybody in Jamaica have sweet tooth. So on the Jamaicans can go and take buyout. Big up Babs the Great, big up Holness. No, not Holness. So people, I am not gonna sit down and watch them kill off unknown people them. And then say me go play like Usain Bolt, me go play like the police commissioner. And
on a big man level, you see the other day when the debate did go on and them did talk about mental health, I'm definitely sure L.A. Lewis fall in that category where it look like him though mentally stable. Because at one point him a cuss the Prime Minister and say yo this and that Holness, and then him big up the Prime Minister, and then when him big up the Prime Minister it's like him a looking at space and I say no, me never really want say big up Holness, only Babs the Great alone. I don't know people, I don't know.
So on the Jamaicans can go and take buyout. Big up Babs the Great, big up Holness. No, not Holness.
Anyway, people, I want to tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. Because sometimes to me, L.A. Lewis, him kind of have a moment them when him head chip, you know? Him lose couple screw. Anyway, like how we are on this topic of politics, more of talk about this new song by the name of Survival Mode. And who sing it now? Romieikon and unknown Gringo. People, it's a song where them kind of burn out the politician them. And we not the politician them we actually do good out there, you know, because there is politician we are do good. We not talk about them one day. We are talk about the little criminal them, the little insect them. We go out in the ghetto and just give the youths them gun for kill off them one another for their political gain. And them the one that we are talk about. We are talk about the one them we have the $1 million cake in the mouth. Anyway, people, uno pre this song right now.
Uptown mansion, downtown borders. Remember this, me granny cook on the cold stove. Get a life, yo, down pretty like rose. Youths don't stop fight till your eyes close. Yo, a whole heap of things, yo, we have to fix. Youths don't put your trust in a politics. All when a sugar and water, you have to mix. Make it thanks every day.
People, me I telling you the honest truth. Me can relate to that song, yeah. As a youth, we grew up and see a lot of things happen around we, a lot of things where politicians do, we can relate to this song. Now people, at the audio me just play, but me have kind of fix it up a way, make you understand what go on. That don't say, you know if you run, go over the official page, you know, looking at the link in the description in there. Run, go over the song, go watch it, go listen it, and all those things. I mean, watch a music video and listen to the song. You know what I mean, right? Anyway, people, the music video just start where somebody roll up in a tilt-up Voxy and just step out of it and just squeeze pan a youth. But the person will start fire the shot him in a one orange hat. So what that symbolize? Sound like a politics word, huh? You remember the time in a shatters when Spragga Benz them do the dirt for the politician, do a bag of things for the politician, and when the politician did for tell the police them say yo for back off him never do that. When the politician actually tell the police him say, yo, get rid of them. Them time done. People, that simple mean. You see, in these politics war and them argument, yeah, them allow the youth them for do for them dirty work. They make the youth them do for them dirty work. But when a time for the youth them for go dirt, a dirt. If a dirt, a dirt. Read between the lines.
Me a cry for the poor and needy. Me a tell her get a life done easy. Every day the youths them feel it. The world it want to change and me mean it. The politicians them a move too greedy.
So people, I want to talk the truth. Want to really think about this song and this music video. Want to see what I go on, you know? Me know want to see what I go on. You see me? For me still, the song bad. I like the message what the song I say because it don't make no sense we are fight politics war for the upper class. Where we are fight for politician, for politician them don't business about way. A lot of people ask me if me a vote and them thing the people. Me I tell you honest truth, me not even have a voter ID. Me not do the voting something there. But me not tell you say don't go vote, you know. But when me definitely I tell you, don't fight no politics war because in the end everybody are go dead except the politician them because them comfortably in them mansion and live uptown somewhere and we then I get a kill off myself. It no make no farmer sense.
Father show me the way. Enough juvenile in a clear. Enough mother cry every day. Enough sorrow get a youth feel. Father show me the way. Many nights for me need me a prayer.
So that's Unknown Gringo with the song entitled Survival. You see me? And people want to go and go check it out. Me I go leave a link to that song in the comment section or me I go put it in the description if you are watching on YouTube. Somewhere about it I go dead. Big up British Links Production because I them produce this bad song here, right here, so we can enjoy it and them thing here. So British Links Production, big up on no damn self. Now make we talk about this robbery that take place yesterday. Now people, this is one bag of mix up. This is one bag of mix up because at first the reports was that it was an hostage situation in the Junction Ready Cash outlet and that's Quartz Ready Cash outlet. But later on we get to understand say it wasn't an hostage situation. So when the police them out there say the place is surrounded, come out with your hands in the air. The man them gone long time and I laugh off of them. The people them gone long time, people. I don't know how the mix up going on. Me I wait to see it reveal in the media what really take place. But all when me know them put out a statement say yes, them catch them. And then Stephanie Lindsay put out another statement and say them get away. So listen what Stephanie Lindsay, she's the head of the corporate communication unit, CCU, Police Corporate Communication Unit, yeah. But just listen what Stephanie Lindsay officer.
All right, well, the latest that I know that it was out there that there was an hostage situation, so we just want to say that it wasn't an hostage situation, it was a robbery. I know the initial report that was made to the police, it did give the impression that it was an hostage situation and the robbers were in the building and people were in there. So that was the initial response. But having done some more investigation and they did some work and the police response was very quick, then they recognized after a while that it was not an hostage situation. The persons that already robbed the place and left. So the police are now going back now to speaking with persons, eyewitnesses to verify how many persons were actually involved. So we don't know how many persons just yet. We're checking back to see they can trace and whatever assistance they can get in determining how many persons were involved in that robbery.
So people, honestly, I don't know. Something don't sound right to me. Because I remember vividly in a one of the clip them, we actually see the police them a take some people in a custody. So we swear say are the robber them or would be robber. And then now them a say them get way. Like something right. But anyway, still, want to left it in the comment section below and tell me what you think about that whole hostage situation. Now, we are going to look on the final clip, and this took place at UWI back gate. And so far, no person have been injured, but just take a look. Again, I want to add, nobody was reportedly injured in that shootout or shooting incident. People, when you go up on the road, when you just watch out and protect yourself. Zane. Anyway, I left it right there. So it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.